It's gonna storm good. And see how the tent holds out in the rain. Okay, so we're gonna make sure that everything is tight, all the pegs are in, and hopefully everything will be okay. Okay. As you can see, the tent is out there. It's raining quite a bit, and we'll check it just a little later to see how it holds out. But it's really quite rainy. It's really coming down. Okay, so we'll get back to you. So we're gonna see if the tent is intact, and that let's see if there's any leakage inside. So we're gonna do that right now. So we're gonna go inside. It looks like it's pretty stable on the outside. We had a lot of wind, a lot of rain, a lot of heavy rain. Okay, so yeah, let's go inside. Okay, we're back inside, and there doesn't seem to be any visible signs of water, and we're just gonna feel here. Yeah, it looks good. And I dragged some water in here just from trying to get inside. Okay, and let's see. So yeah, it's all dry. Okay, so looks good. I think that's definitely a pass. Yeah, so there's a lot of good ventilation here, as you can see on either side. We have good vents there, and yeah, so great. So in terms of headroom, so it's actually pretty good. Like, I'm 6'3", 250 pounds, so I'm a pretty big guy, and everything seems to be good in terms of the roominess of the tent. And actually, I'm actually very pleased at this point, and we'll be taking it out into the Manitoba wilderness probably in August or September. And yeah, so a good test of the tent in the northern climes of Manitoba. Actually, I spoke a little too soon. This area here where it attaches to the outside fly, there's actually some water coming down from that and actually coming into the tent. So yeah, I just spoke a little too soon. So we'll have to seal that. I'm thinking after we seal that, and I'm just gonna quickly take a look on the other side, and it doesn't seem to be anything here in terms of any leakage down into the tub. So just the one side. So there is leakage on those side attachment points on just the other side here. And yeah, well, I guess you can't expect 100% all the time, but I don't know, for 180 bucks, you would hope that they'd probably take care of that, you know, but that's too bad. Anyways, thank you. So this is the side that it was leaking. Okay, so we're going to seal that up, and hopefully it'll be okay after that. Okay.